Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have the Lenovo Legion Go S handheld and I'm going to tell you how I can easily charge this device. So, at first you have to prepare yourself a power brick that comes with your device. I don't have this, but I do have, as you can see, the MacBook One. And we have to plug our cable into the power brick or charger or adapter, as someone calls it, and we have to have the USB Type-C cable finishment. Then we have to plug our charger into our power supply, and here we have to now take this USB Type-C cable and find these two ports at the top of our device. We can plug our cable in one of these two ports, and as you can see, now our device is being charged. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye.